Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and this is my SEYMAC iPad case. I love how well it protects my iPad. I love using the magnetic feature. It sticks so easily to the fridge. I find it super handy and it's incredibly strong. It's not gonna fall. It sticks really well. I like the design. It's incredibly sleek. It's not a bulky style at all, but it looks very professional if you need to use it for work or something like that. I think this is my favorite feature. I like that even though the design is sleek, the inside case is hard. As you can see, I'm just pulling it out right now, and I find that really helps protect it extra well. I'm pretty hard on my iPad and my case, and I find it's doing an excellent job protecting it. There's also different angles for viewing. I find that super nice, and it's easy to use with this little stopper. Open it up and I can put it at whatever angle is most comfortable. I've been using this case for quite some time now, and it's doing an amazing job protecting my iPad. So if you're looking for an iPad case, check this one out. I love it, and you will too. That's my point of view.